Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Mrs. Mazera here, your social studies teacher. Today we are going to start the next topic, the next chapter named as weather and climate from your geography part. So, you must have noticed that sometimes the place you live in, the days are sometimes rainy, sometimes they are windy, sometimes they are cloudy, and sometimes they are sunny. What exactly changes in all these days that some conditions are different, you may notice within the day or within an hour the conditions completely change. Well, these changes are the weather of a place. What weather exactly is? The weather is the condition of atmosphere for the particular time, or we can say weather is the state of atmosphere which can be changed day by day. It is describing for example the degree to which it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. The weather of a place can change rapidly. It may be bright and sunny in the clear morning, while in the evening the sky may be covered with dark clouds. It may started raining, but the afternoon may be bright and sunny. So during different times of the year, during the different times of the day or different times of the year, we have observed different changings. These are called weather changings. The degree of hotness and coldness is known as temperature. There are some examples of weather. Rainy weather, in which we have rain. Cloudy weather, when sky covered with dark clouds. And sun, we can see partially the part of the sun, or sometimes the sun hide in the clouds. Then stormy weather, when we have a storm, it may be the lightning or the thunder. Then windy weather, when we have strong winds. Then the sunny weather, the temperature goes up and we can feel sweating and we can feel hotness. This is a sunny weather. The snowy weather. In Karachi, we are not observing the snowy weather, but in northern areas, we can observe the snowy weather. Snow is falling. Then the climate. For example, the place you live in, the days are usually sunny, but sometimes they may be rainy or foggy. So how would you define the usual temperature of your place? So the climate of the area is usually, if you have usually sunny days, so it's mean the climate of your area is usually sunny. So what is the climate actually? The weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or over a long period, or it is the average weather condition of a particular area for a long time, typically averaged over a period of 30 years. Climate is the average of the weather condition over a whole year. For example, the desert, in spite of one day of showers, has a hot, dry climate. The Arctic region, instead of a few days of sunshine, it has a bitterly cold climate. So, there are some examples of climate. First of all, we have to look at the map of Pakistan and we can observe the climate of Pakistan. In the northern areas where there are mountains, the high mountains, In the mountainous region or in the northern areas, the climate is very cold, as well as in the coastal area where we are living in. Karachi is a coastal area. The climate is completely different. If we look at the eastern part of the Sindh, where we have the Thar Parker or the desert, so deserts having a different climate, which having high temperature, mostly high temperature throughout the year. It's mean we have different climate of different particular places. Climatic regions of the world. Here we are discussing 4 different regions of the world which are different from climatic differences. First of all, polar climate. Polar climate are very cold and dry throughout the year. In the north and south pole, we have these type of climate. The snow is covered all the land, as well as throughout the year we observe low temperature. Then arid zone. Arid zone are the desert area which have little or no rain, or it is too dry or barren to support vegetation. Then tropical region. This type of region actually found nearby the equator, because equator gets the or receives most of the sunlight. So an area with tropical climate is one with an average temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Areas nearby the equator enjoy this type of climate. There are some measuring tools for weather. First of all, rain gauge. Rain gauge is an instrument which measures the rainfall. Wind vane, it is used for finding out the wind direction. Then the thermometer, used for measure the temperature of a particular place, or degree, or we can measure degree of hotness or coldness. Barometer. Barometer is used for measuring the speed of wind. Now, task to do. What you have to do in your copy now? You have to write down the question, what is weather, and define it. Then list down some examples of weather. You have to write down the names of examples of weather, just as sunny, cloudy, and so on. And you must have to draw pictures in your copy. Colorful pictures make your copy attractive and most beautiful. Then name the weather or weathers we are enjoying nowadays. Question number 4, define climate. Then the last one, explain climatic region of the world. So this is your task to do. Hope you understand today's topic. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.